Hello everyone, it's the Frugal Soul Gardener, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook marvelous Mexican, even if you have a teeny tiny kitchen without an oven. I call it air fryer fajitas. Yes, you can make some really amazing fajitas in your air fryer. Now, the meat part is, pretty straightforward. For this, I suggest chicken because of all the meat out there, the chicken's going to be about the cheapest. Target, you can get bone-in chicken thighs for $2.50 a pound. And by having them in fajitas, then you're going to be stretching that meat. Hardly takes any time in here. And the seasonings don't have to be anything fancy. Garlic powder, salt, pepper, just get them cooking in here. But then thinking, well, what about the vegetables? Well, guess what? You can roast your vegetables, your peppers and your onions, same place. Really, and what's really great is peppers and onions, again, very inexpensive. You can get a bell pepper at Target for $1 a piece. Onions, again, $1. So far we've spent $7. You just, like with the chicken, you're going to eventually slice it thin. Same with that bell pepper and onion, and get it going in here, and it'll cook it up really nicely. So far we've spent $7. Well, what's left? Well, tortillas. You can get a pack of 10 tortillas at Dollar Tree for $1.25. There are very few places where you can beat that particular price. So you've got your chicken and you got your onions and your bell peppers going. Well, what about your tortillas? How are you going to heat those up? Easy. Turn down the temperature. You're going to put foil on top of the meat and the vegetables and just tuck in a few of those tortillas and let it warm up. Just keep an eye on them. And next thing you know, you've got your meat, you got your vegetables, you got your tortillas, and you've spent less than $10 for an entire wonderful, mouth-watering meal. Stay tuned for new unexpected uses of your air fryer. And just remember, air fryers are more fuel efficient and cost less than using your oven. So you'll be saving money in more than one way. So until next time, happy saving.